Writing a thesis in the humanities can be an intellectually rewarding yet challenging journey. Unlike scientific theses, humanities theses focus on critical analysis, interpretation, and theoretical exploration. Whether you're writing about literature, history, philosophy, or cultural studies, crafting a compelling argument and engaging with scholarly discourse is essential. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to write an outstanding humanities thesis and help you avoid common pitfalls. What is a thesis in the humanities? A thesis in the humanities is an extended research paper that explores a specific question, theme, or problem within fields like literature, history, philosophy, or the arts. It involves A. Presenting an original argument or interpretation. B. Engaging with scholarly sources. C. Analyzing texts, artifacts, or cultural phenomena. D. Demonstrating critical thinking and research skills. Choosing a strong topic. The foundation of any successful thesis starts with a compelling topic. Here's how to choose one. Interest. Pick a topic you're genuinely passionate about. Relevance. Ensure it contributes to ongoing scholarly debates. Scope. Keep it focused enough to manage within the word limit, broad enough for meaningful analysis. Originality. Aim for a fresh perspective or a unique approach to a familiar subject. Example. Instead of Shakespeare's influence, narrow it down to the role of gender in Shakespeare's Twelfth Night. Crafting a clear thesis statement. Your thesis statement should summarize the central argument of your paper in 1 or 2 sentences. A strong thesis statement makes a specific claim, reflects your interpretation or analysis, guides the structure of your argument. Example, in Twelfth Night, Shakespeare uses gender ambiguity to critique Elizabethan norms of identity and societal expectations. Conducting thorough research. Research in the humanities involves engaging with both primary sources, original texts, historical documents, artworks, and secondary sources, scholarly articles, critiques, reviews. Research tips: use academic databases, for example, JSTOR, Project News. Keep detailed notes with proper citations. Analyze differing viewpoints to strengthen your argument. Structuring your thesis. A well-organized thesis in the humanities typically follows this structure. A. Introduction. Present the topic. State your thesis statement. Outline the structure of your argument. B. Literature review. Discuss existing research and gaps. Position your study within the academic conversation. C. Chapters/body sections. Develop your argument with evidence and analysis. Each chapter should support your main thesis. D. Conclusion. Summarize your findings. Reflect on the broader implications of your research. E. References/bibliography. Follow the required citation style, MLA, Chicago, APA. Writing tips for success. Be clear and concise, avoid unnecessary jargon. Use textual evidence, support every claim with citations from your sources. Revise extensively, editing improves clarity and strengthens your arguments. Seek feedback, share drafts with peers or supervisors for constructive input. Need expert help? Thesis.help offers professional thesis writing services tailored to your academic needs. Order your custom humanities thesis today at Thesis.help and get the support you need for academic success.